Students, today we turn toward our next topic 1.2 on saying please. Before turn toward our topic, we see the questions in the icebreaker. Open your textbook and see on the page number 13. See the first question in icebreaker. List the words of courtesy that we use in our daily life. Discuss them with your partner and explain the purpose of using each. Now see, there is one verb, and what is the in middle of that verb? Words of courtesy. One clue is given for us. See, in the first column there is thank you. Why we use thank you? We use thank you to express our gratitude. Then next, write down in the next column, excuse me. Why we use excuse me? What is the purpose behind it? We use expression excuse me to make permission to go ahead or asking something. Now see the next, may I. We use may I to take permission. Then write down in the next, yes or no sir or madam. Why we say yes sir, yes or no sir, yes madam or no madam? Because of this expression we show we are agree or disagree. Write down in the next now, mention not. This expression we use to reply to thank you, need not to say thank you. The next, you are welcome. Why we use you are welcome? We use this expression because to accept the expression. Next one, I am sorry. Why we use I am sorry? To tell someone that you are ashamed for hurting them. And next is, and last is, my pleasure. Why we use my pleasure? To tell you are happy to help. Okay, so in this way we fill up all that columns and write down the expression, write down the purpose why we use that expression. Got it everybody? Now we turn toward our next question. See, the next question is, listed below are a few characters, trait of people. Some are positive traits while others are not. Tick, write the one you feel are desirable. Now see, there are 3 column is there, characteristic traits. So we tick which are a good behavior and which are a bad. Okay, so see, I think this is a very simple activity. You have to done your own, and in this if you have any difficulty then you can ask me. Got it? Now we directly turn toward our third question. Etiquette and the manners are very important for a person to live in the society. Read the following and put them in a proper column. See, there are 6 sentences there. They are showing the etiquettes and good manners. So after that expression, after that statement, we have 2 tables. One is about appropriate and second is about inappropriate. So you read that statements and write down in the columns. For example, I will tell you one. See, first one, to receive phone calls while you are in a lecture or a class. See, it is a appropriate or inappropriate? Yes, it is an inappropriate. So we write down number 1 in a inappropriate column. And second, now see, to knock before you enter your principal's office. This is a appropriate. So we write down in a appropriate column. To thank the person who offers you tea or a coffee. This is also appropriate. So you have to write down remaining. Got it, everybody? Now we turn towards our writer's introduction. Alfred George Gardiner, 1865 to 1946, was born at Chesterford in Essex in 1865. He started his literary career as a journalist. At the age of 37, he was appointed editor of the Daily News, London. Under the pseudonym pen name Alpha of the Plug, he made a regular contribution to the Daily News, the Manchester Evening News, etc. His essays are uniformly legends, graceful and humorous. The Pillars of Society, Pebbles on the Shore, Metaphors and Leaves in the Wind are some of his best known writings. His uniqueness is in his ability to teach the basic truth of the life in an essay and amusing manner. He raised the question on morality in everyday life. In On Saying Please, he points out the value of good manners in a social and emphasizes the importance of courtesy and politeness in a daily behavior. He shows how polite speech and manners sweeten the atmosphere around and how discourtesy and ill manners spoil our polite it. From this lesson, we learn what is the importance of please, what is the importance of politeness, what is the importance of good behavior. The writer focuses on politeness and courtesy. The things are very important in your life, and that's why he gives an example in his essay. He gives 2 examples. One is liftman and second is conductor. Liftman is a very rude person and conductor is very polite one. So both are a different character, but they are teach us many things in our life. Okay, students, after this video we turn toward our lesson. I hope you understand. Thank you.